Bitcoin is coming to a head with diminishing volatility in the market. And most often, as we push into the breakout zone, this is where we are seeing massive moves, sharp moves that cause crazy profits or crazy losses. This indicator is not going to determine direction, but we're going to be using other indicators to see where we're likely to head next. Spoiler alert, it's either about to break to a brand new all-time high or crash back down into this descending channel pattern. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned 295 wins with 0 losses in the last 28 months. And you can view our performance record on our trade setups page. For our members, we have a brand new future forecast out. Posted today, July 9th, the XLM fake out breakout before a 70% crash. History repeating? Look at this chart as soon as possible. In past bull runs, XLM broke its descending resistance twice, jumping 40 and 28%, and then came the trap. It crashed down again by 82 and 71%. We need to be ready for this next move. This is more a picture update. Yesterday's future forecast, posted July 8th, is a full episode. I'm talking tons of information. As I scroll down here, this is 39 minutes worth of data talking about multiple alt season charts, how Travis is positioned right now, wildly bullish projections, our scaling out plan, and math-based TA to time the absolute bottom of altcoins before the rip. If you want to get the best possible data for your trades, be sure to watch the future forecast episodes. This is where we're giving both fundamental and technical data to our members. Sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off if you're not a member already. And with that, let's get started. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, trades in favor, and breakout detector indicators. What I want to show you first is the breakout detector. Whenever we drop right into the breakout zone, things get a little bit hairy. Things have diminished for the most part, but as we push back out of the breakout zone, this is where the sudden and sharp moves happen. Right here, volatility diminished, and as soon as we pushed back out of the breakout zone, we got a massive pump. Same thing right about here, drop into the breakout zone, and then as soon as we broke out of the breakout zone, massive pump. So the fact that we're in the breakout zone, or at least are about to be within the next few days, as long as this continues moving sideways, we need to be ready for big moves. As we drop down, be ready for a break back out of the breakout zone. And at that point, we are looking at these 3 indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators to determine the next likely direction. If whale money is moving out of the market at that time, it is more likely to see a drop simply because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. If this is the case, wait for price versus whale money flow to be low, wait for trades in favor to be low, and wait for a buy or strong buy signal to make a potential entry. And you can see how effective this combination is. The last time this happened, this saw a move up to the all-time high of about 41%. However, if whale money begins moving into the market despite bearish signals all the way around, this is likely to result in a short squeeze, and whales are going to make a lot of money off the inexperience of retail traders. A short squeeze happens when there is a ton of short traders at a certain area. Now, in short trades, especially if they're leveraged, there's typically a risk of liquidation, and liquidation just means you lose all the money in that trade and potentially more depending on how much was actually leveraged. Once that leverage is taken out, it leaves a ton of room and pressure for bulls to push the price up. So if whales purposely move the price up in Bitcoin to liquidate short traders, this is likely to cause a massive pump and new all-time high, and this could move us closer to $114,000. Either way, major moves are coming. Watch the breakout detector for a drop into the breakout zone, and especially for a break back out of the breakout zone. And once this happens, you could be set. Watch to see where the indicators are at that time and be ready to take action no matter what. Guys, if you want these indicators, our members can get access for a massive $550 off, and that's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast videos, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts. What you need to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our sign-up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started, and once you have that, head to the indicator tab, and as a new member, you're going to save $150 off with the coupon code here. Click Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for those future forecast episodes. Don't miss out.